You're the chosen one, the royal king for Asante man. And your intelligence is recognized globally. Nations seek your counsel, and Western nations invite you to their most important ceremony. Your Highness, you're the solution when there's no way out, and people cry out for you to help them survive. What kind of king are you that demons, presidents, and kingdoms obey and seek advice from you? All that I can say is Eye wanyame no dingwasrawo efisia no pania no meribiara osane besra osemi batie seminsa da uswa medomedie okasatia wono kai woyo tumfo osoro ne wotena bie ensifom nyakoko wedie mebo twedie kai woyo kumfo osoro ne wotena bia ensifom nyakoko wedie mebo twedie otumfo ensifom na koko wedie mebo twedie meye wakodie wapedie mashedie otumfo woyo kodie ensifom na koko wedie mebo twedie meye wakodie wapedie mashedie. Eye unyame odingwa straw efisa no pane imo me biara osane bestra osemi batie semi nsada uswa medo media okasatia wono kai woyo kodie otumfwa osoro ne wotena biensi fo